Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the CleverMade Collapsible Storage Bin, a versatile and multifunctional solution perfect for organizing your home, office, dorm, RV, or garage. These lightweight bins, available in a pack of 3, boast a generous 62-liter capacity and can hold up to 100 pounds each, making them ideal for storing sporting equipment, tools, or food items. With their ergonomic side grip handles, these bins are easy to carry and use, while their clever design allows the lids to be securely placed on either the bottom or top of the crate. The collapsible and stackable nature of these bins means you can quickly fold them flat by pushing from the bottom of the short sides, and they can be stacked up to 3 high, whether open or closed, thanks to their interlocking nesting system. Made from 100% polypropylene plastic, these bins are not only lightweight but also incredibly durable, able to withstand high-impact forces without breaking, and are resistant to corrosion and chemicals. Measuring 23.38 inches long, 15.12 inches wide, and 12.5 inches high, these bins collapse down to just 2.5 inches in height for easy storage when not in use. Whether you're moving or simply need a reliable storage solution, the CleverMade Collapsible Storage Bin is designed to meet your needs with efficiency and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.